Hi, thank you for tuning in. My name is Dion, Crazy Coupon Cravers. I'm very blessed to be here, and I'm very blessed to show you my savings. I'm very glad that you guys have tuned in, and just thank you for all your support, and thank you for all your comments. It helps my channel grow, and thank you for all the thumbs up. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you for my old subscribers and my new subscribers. I couldn't do this channel without you guys, so I'm very blessed to be here. Me and my daughter and my son, last year was the first year he went, but we started going. Well, me and my daughter's been going to Winter Gym for several years, and it's a Christian concert, and we went, and it was very awesome. My son went last year, and he really enjoyed it, and he goes, Mom, he goes, I didn't think you were going to invite me this year, so, but he really enjoyed it too, so we had a blessing over there too, and it was just a blessing, and God worked through the whole stadium, so it was fantastic. But thank you for tuning in. I did a Walmart Ibotta haul, so if you're new to my station, I welcome you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope you subscribe. I ended up buying two of these. They were $4.77. I had a $1.50 coupon for each one of them out of the save. It was from a couple weeks ago. They expire on Saturday or today. So I got two coupons on that. I ended up having a $2 Ibotta. So it made this like 90 some cents a piece or 80 some cents a piece. So that was a great deal. These were, I think, $4.77, and I bought two of them, and there was a $5 Ibotta, but then I submitted for $1.50 on coupons.com and $1.50 on Shop'em, so that made it really good price, guys. And then I ended up buying this axe. This axe was $5.97. I ended up having this coupon. It came in the mail out of pamphlets like free gifts or whatever, free pamphlets or whatever. So I had that, so that took it off. And then I had $1 off of Ibotta. And then I also had Fetch Rewards, and it gave me like $2. So it made it like, well, it was free and like a $1.50 moneymaker. So that was a good deal. These were $3.77. I had I ended up finding a coupon on this, and it was $1.50. It was $3.74. I had $1.50, and then I had $1 off a bottom, so it ended up being like $1.74. So, and then these were, I had a buy one get one free coupon. Like, it looks like this. And then Ibotta was given $3 back for this. So it made these like $1.50 a piece. So that was a good deal on that. So you can, it was buy one get one free men. And then I bought two of these. These were $3.99 a piece, and I bought two of them. And Ibotta was given back $3.99. So it made these like $1 a piece. So wait, well, I can't figure out the math yet, but yeah, it made it real cheap though, or $2 a piece. So that was a good deal on that. And then this was $4.50, and I ended up getting $1 back from Ibotta. So I thought that was a good deal. I go back to work, so I thought either take it for our lunch, or I'll be leaving Mom soon, so Mom can make sandwiches when I'm not here. So I thought that was a good deal. But my favorite deal was I bought these. These were $8.97 a piece. I bought two of them. Swag Bucks was given $10 back for buying two. Then Checkout 51 was getting back $2.24. So it made this for both of them $1.50 a piece. So or $1.70 a piece. So I thought that was a very fantastic stock up deal. So that was my haul. But on this, oh, and then I bought 4 cat food. So I left that at my house, so 4 different cat foods, and they were Fancy Feast, The Savior, Pure, and about 4 of those. So I ended up, Puss Puss misses me, and Puss Puss needed food, so I bought those for her. But here's my receipt, and there's my coupons coming off. And then on this one, the total was $51.74, but I ended up getting $33 back from Ibotta. I got well, I got from Ibotta. Then I ended up submitting $1.50 for each one of these to shop them and coupons.com. So that made it $3 back. And then I got $2, I think it was $2 from, well, altogether I got over $5 back from coupons.com. I got for the Snuggles, the Axe, and the Dove, and all that. So I got over $5 back from Fetch Rewards, and I'll put my referral codes down below. And then, like I said, I got $10 back from Swagbucks and $2 and $10 back from Swagbucks, and I got $2 and 23 cents back for each one of these on checkout 51. And then I got $2 back from Shopkick, and that was for the Dove. So that was a great deal on that. So everything that I got, I paid like $9.50 with not including my rebates. This was on another receipt, so I don't know where that receipt is. So I ended up paying like 71 something back. But like I said, I got all that free. I got 33 back from Ibotta. I got $5 back from Checkout 50 or Fetch Rewards, and like I said, $2 from Shopkick and all that stuff. So I made everything like $9.50 plus tax. So thank you for tuning in. God bless you. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe. Thank you. Bye.